Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening the 2020 P case. Smash a big thumbs up, make sure you are a subscriber so you do not miss when we get a new case here in the Hot Wheels Garage. Let's crack this one open and check out the awesome cars that are in the 2020 Hot Wheels P case. I get all my cases from Grana Toys. I have a subscription with them. I'll put a link down below so you can check their website out. Smell those Hot Wheels. Oh man, let's get straight into this. What have we got? We've got, I believe, we've got the 91 GMC Cyclone. That was in the previous case in red, very nice color. And the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS, also in the previous case. What's this here we've got? Oh man, nice. We've got another 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon that was also in the previous case. So the second 91 GMC Cyclone. So that's two of the same casting already in the first row. And we've got the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster in green. That's a pretty cool looking car. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Really fitting for the Roadster series. Now we've got the Aston Martin 177. Man, is this crazy? What is going on in this case? That's the first two rows, and we've got 4 of the 91 GMC Cyclone. Come on, Hot Wheels, that is way too many of the same casting in this case. Gee, man. Now let's check out. We've got the Croc Rod. We've got the McLaren P1. Very, very nice car. And we've got a Skyboat. Gee, no new castings so far. The 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. Oh, look at this recolor. Man, that 98 Honda Prelude, that blue is beautiful. Got Japanese plates on the rear. Cannot wait to open this one. Very nice car. And we've got the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in gold. Very nice car. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this one. I was actually not thinking it was going to be too good, but to my surprise, it's actually really nice. Okay, we've got a roller toaster. Oh, very, very nice. This is a recolor, I'm pretty sure. 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. That's 2 of the Roadsters in the Roadster series. What was the other one did I just call out? Yeah, it was not that one. I'm a little bit ahead of myself. I've already hidden it. Oh, here it is. It was the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. That's 2 Roadsters in this case, and they are both really nice cars. That is pretty cool. And we've got a Honda S2000. Next lot, Radical Racer. I like the color on this one. Not a fan of the casting, but the color looks nice. Muscle Bound. Take a look. That matte black finish on this car. Wow, that is so cool. Really, really nice. I like that one. And we've got a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Very cool. Oh, this looks nice. It's a fantasy, but I do like it. The Grand Cross in the Hot Wheels Race Team series. This is a recolor, and I think this gray is really nice. I mean, I do usually like the blue that we get on the Hot Wheels Race Team series cars, but this one, take a look. That looks awesome. Oh, cool. We've got the Croc Rod again, and we got a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This is a recolor. I think this is more fitting in this color than the red. Did we get it in a red? I think it was. But that color looks pretty cool. Oh, okay, we're getting to the good cars now. The 57 Plymouth Fury. This is a recolor. We had it in white. But this blue, man, this is like the Prelude that we just took out. This is a really nice blue car. Whew. Got the custom 2011 Camaro in the Hot Wheels Rescue series. That is so cool. And it's a fire department car. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. And another 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. Oh, this is good for the Datsun fanboys because there was only one of the Datsun Bluebird wagons in the previous case. And now we've got one in this case as well. So there should be plenty to go around. Got another 57 Plymouth Fury. And we've got the 69 Dodge Charger 500 Trackstar car. Almost at the bottom of the first row. Oh man, is this 3 McLarens in this case? 3 McLaren P1s. That is insane. And we got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Boss LT. What are we going to round out the top of the case with? We've got the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. We've got another 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT and the 69 Dodge Charger 500. All right, so I was a little disappointed to start off, but that got good really quick. Is there anything in here that I'm going to... Oh, is there any treasure hunts? Come on, give me something. Oh, the 70 Chevelle SS in the Screen Time series from Fast and Furious. This red is pretty cool. Man, I'm saying a lot of these cars are cool, but they are. This is a recolor on the Nissan Silvia S13. Nice. And another 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. What is this? What is this? A Radical Racer. Oh, cool. Mazda Rx3. Take a look at this one. In the Nightburner series. Man, is that G ready on the side there? Number 3 for racing. I like it. And another Aston Martin 177. Second 70 Chevelle SS, that is cool. A second Nissan Silvia S13 and another 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. A lot of repeats in this case. This is a lot of repeats. Oh, talk about repeats. The Mazda Rx3. We've got another Koenigsegg Jesko. Man, this is good. There's going to be heaps on the pegs for everyone. And the Aston Martin 177. I'm hearing that people aren't liking the red color, but I actually like the red color. Quick bites, bit boring. Got the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, or is it a ZR1? Let me know what you want to call it. And the 68 Shelby GT500. This is a recolor? I think it is, but it doesn't matter if it is or it's not. This purple is literally on fire. I think this is really cool. Oh, a lot of nice colors in this case. All right. Oh, we got a second Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. That will keep everyone happy for sure now. And we've got the Porsche 914 Safari in the Nightburner series. This is pretty cool. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. That's a really awesome looking car. Not sure it'll work on the track, but it's pretty cool. And the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. The Velociter in the recolor there in white for the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 series. I think this white color is actually better than the green that it was released in. Very nice. Got the 67 Camaro, which was in the previous case. And we've got a Cruiser Bruiser in the Art Car series. Got a letter T on the top there. No, I like the artwork on this one. Very cool. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, that's the second one in the case. The McLaren Senna, and I know I didn't mention it in the previous case, but it does have a retooling on the headlights, so this is the casting that we will see from now on. And we've got an El Viento. The Erikstein Rod. This is a recolor. This one maybe is the better color. Got another 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning and another 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Getting to the bottom of the case. Man, is this real? There is 5 of these in the car in the case. 591 GMC Cyclones. Why didn't they give us more black ones? We've got a high beam. And we've got the 2019 Chevrolet ZR1 convertible. Almost to the bottom here. Almost to the bottom. Oh, McLaren Speedtail. That's good. It's 67 Camaro, a Cruiser Bruiser, and yeah, the McLaren Speedtail. And look, there's 2 McLaren Speedtails. So I think all the popular castings, we've actually got a couple of them from this case and the previous case. I'm going to finish it off with a roller toaster and a duck and roll. Let's check out my favorites of the case. Okay, now let me pick out a couple of my favorites from the case. It's the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Gonna have to say the Nissan Silvia S13, although it's a recolor, very, very nice recolor. Gonna have to say I like the Camaro, this custom 2011 Camaro. Where else are we? The Mazda Rx3 is a very cool car, and I think I'm not going to finish it off with that one because I like that one better. Well, I like the Grand Cross, very cool car. But probably the highlight of the case is the 98 Honda Prelude in blue is going to come a close second to, where is it? It was the 57 Fury. I can't find it. It's here somewhere. Here it is. I actually really like this car too. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite of the 2020 P case. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.